Recall last class we talked about modeling extended structures. So here we have the extended structure for sodium chloride. So at first glance, this really is a whole bunch of sodium and chlorine atoms together. Here's sodium in yellow, here's chlorine in blue, and it's a whole bunch of them together in this giant blob. However, when we look more closely at this giant blob, what we'll see is that they're highly organized. So they're not just a giant blob, they're actually organized very, very highly. So there are positive and negative charges on these atoms. Remember that. There's a positive charge on this sodium atom and a negative charge on this chlorine atom. So they're going to attract in certain ways. So the yellows, right, the sodiums, are only going to attract other blues. So even if you look at this blob here, you'll see there are no yellows stuck together. And here we have and I'm going to try to make it bigger for you guys, zoom in a little bit more. Here we see that the sodium ions are not connected to other sodium ions. So it's not just a blob stuck together, they're actually coming together and attracting in very specific ways. So when we model our extended structure, remember that we want to make sure that if they're charged, that they're only connecting to other ones that are charged the opposite way. Because remember, a positive and a negative attract, same charges repel.